So we do have the next camera. We called it next because there's a new camera, a new solution. Nobody has it. It's a modular, the best modular system in the market. It's easy to install. It's only 5 minutes to be installed. It has a lot of technologies and dozens of technologies in the camera itself. AI camera. So it contains with 4 parts. The first part is base. If you can see it here, it's only 4 screws to be connected. Just only 4 screws, and we have a network hub. If you can see it here. It's like a smart part, which all configurations and data will be stored here. One IP address, one license. It can accommodate 1 sensor, 1 camera sensor, 2 camera sensors, and 4 camera sensors with 1 IP address, 1 camera, 1 license. So we have a directional pins here. So we just put it like this, and it's done, and it's working. So we have also a fixture. This fixture, we have like 1 fixture, 1 camera fixture, dual, trial, and quad cameras. So we can accommodate with 1 network hub, 4 sensors. So we have also as well, we have directional pins. If you can see it here, just twist it. It's done. The fixture has been done. And finally, we do have the BTRZ camera. It can accommodate also 1 terabytes SD card in it, and we just twist it, and that's done. So as again, we have directional pins where to just put the camera on. So we just that's done. The camera is configured and working. It's all done. So the camera has all analytics on board, embedded in the camera itself, AI, fallen arm detection, line crossing, all technology, and it gives you, imagine that, it gives you a color image even during night. So it's a nice camera, and you should have to test it and try it.